Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to stop desktop and taskbar keeps constantly refreshing on Windows 11. 10. Type services in Windows search bar, click Services. Find and open Windows Error Reporting Service. Change Startup Type to Disabled, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.